Manual nesting gives you full control. Simply drag a part from the list onto the sheet to begin. Enter exact coordinates into the X and Y position fields for ultimate precision. You can also easily move the part to your desired position by dragging it with your mouse. To unlock powerful placement options, first check the part's properties in the list. Ensure both rotate freely and mirror options are enabled, so you can rotate and mirror the part as needed. Effortlessly create a mirrored version of your part. Simply select the part and press the M key, or use the dedicated mirroring tools. Quickly find the perfect orientation for your parts. Just select any part and press the R key to instantly rotate it. This keyboard shortcut allows you to rapidly test different placements and fit parts together more efficiently. If you need more precise control, access the Rotate menu to enter any custom angle, ensuring your part can fit perfectly into any tight or unconventional space on the sheet. To avoid accidental overlaps when placing parts close together, simply press the spacebar to turn on collision detection. You can also move the selected part using the keyboard arrow keys or on-screen move handles for fine-tuned positioning. To quickly duplicate a part, press the Alt key, then drag it to a new location. You can use the same method to duplicate an entire group of parts. To remove any unwanted parts, simply select them and press the Delete key. For more structured duplication, use the Duplicate tool. This allows you to create a specific number of copies with precise horizontal and vertical spacing. For exact alignment, the Part Positioning tool is essential. Select a reference point, like top left, then click the part to instantly snap it into place relative to your cursor, making it easy to align with other parts or the sheet edge. This works for any reference point you choose. Maximize your material efficiency and dramatically reduce waste by nesting smaller parts inside the cutouts of larger ones. This powerful technique ensures you use every possible area of the sheet. As you can see, manual nesting provides the ultimate control over your part layout. By combining tools such as intuitive drag and drop, rotation, and duplication, along with other available features, you can create highly optimized nests that save time, dramatically reduce material waste, and maximize your profitability.